Pawpaw Sammy and the other bug here. I got my green bin, hunger bin, worm bin, and I was laughing about everybody overfeeding in the odor. Well, my bin smells good, no odor. The other day I came in my shed, right here. I kept smelling something. I overfed my worms right here. And this particular, that's the first time I ever had an odor in one of these bins. That's the first time. And they're not going to get fed for a couple of days.
What do you do about odors? Like, what are some ways that they can get rid of them?
Just quit feeding them. And they'll eat it out and the odor will go away. But I've never had a problem with odor in my bins. I never overfed them. But we had company, a bunch of banana peelings, potato peelings, apple cores, and I just kept feeding them. And apparently I overfed that one bin right there. And it let me know right quick you messed up. Other than that, my worms is coming good, the hunger bin's coming good, and we doing great, thank you. Now I put my honey super on my hive yesterday. I was couldn't find the queen. I was just looking for that queen, couldn't find it. And I laid one of my trays up on top of the hive next to where I was working. And I was putting everything back together. And I happened to look at the top of that, where I'd laid the tray down, and there was one bee. And I started to just kind of brush it off, and I realized that's my queen. The queen was walking around the top. I picked her up and put her in the hive, put her back in the hive.
They're busy this morning, aren't they?
Oh my gosh, yeah. They really going. All the pollen they got, they bringing in pollen by the truckload.
Welcome to South Louisiana. We ought to be the pollen capital of the world.
Got to be. Now, yesterday I built that little honey super on top and built the trays for it. But they are coming on good. I split them like 5 days ago. This was the main hive here. I split this. See they're going in and out both hives. The queen's in here.
Oh.
She was running around up here when I saw her. So I put her in this one. That's the original hive. See all the bees?
Yeah.
I gotta get that off. That's two. Go away. There it is. There it is. Now y'all got access. Go for it. Boy, they working. Look at them.
Yeah, they are.
Anyway, see the little hive?
Yeah, they got them going in that one too.
Oh yeah. So what I did, I split the big hive. I took this tray off here, set it there, put another tray on, put some empty frames in here and full frames here. Then I took the same thing here and come see.
Of course, come see.
See that? Look.
Wow.
Look down in there. And they're having a little field day. Go away. I put my queenie screwdrivers on here to keep the queen down there. Alright, y'all have fun. I'm gonna leave that right there. See the little watering jug?
I do. You got water for them. You know, though, that's a good point you made. I have some yellow frisbees that I turned upside down. I fill them with water, and I leave them at the edge of my raised bed for the bees and the butterflies. And I'll go out there, and all day long you'll see insects hit it, drink, get up, and then go do their business.
Yeah, they gotta bring in your pollinators. What you do is you put a brick or something in it. Like right there, they don't drink the water. They'll get up here on top and take the moisture.
Yeah.
But they doing good. They looking good. I'm gonna take and make 3 more supers today. Put another honey super on that one and 2 on that one.
Wow.
Hopefully in about 6 months, instead of raising bees, I'm gonna start harvesting honey.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching.
Thank y'all. Subscribe, and we'll talk to y'all later.